So today I'm going to show my application which I made. This is WordTrace. The application, what it does is it takes the query term, whichever query term we will provide, and it will try to go through Encyclopaedia Britannica, which we already have the data of, and it will search through 1768 to 1860 if the term appears, or like its synonyms or something similar word which appeared there, and how that thing evolved over a period of time from like 1768 to 1860. For example, I will choose this feature, like let's say force of attraction. um, Here, as I have selected force of attraction, I will just place submit. So it will um, use LLM. Behind the scene ChatGPT is working. So this is the code which I have written. I will talk about the code in my later video, and as you can see, the word is appearing here. um, Portrait, each domain, mechanics, the forces, invisible force. So this is um, I will just discuss this out. Let's just let it print, and I will discuss out some of the things which has some important features which is connected to it. So as you can see, there are sources from it where it has taken the context, and these are the sources. As you can see, if I click, this is an application which is made by my supervisor, Francis, and it contains the Encyclopedia Britannica basically collection and all the data inside it. These are the data present at, and these data has been extracted from these images. So that is Francis, and here my application, what it does, it takes the data from Francis and try to find out the terms, appearances, and evolution over the period of time. Here I have a feature to introduce config here. Basically I could also decrease the year or increase the year, but the data should be like between these year, because in the back end the data till now fetched is between 1760 to 1868. And we can change the LLM config also. GPT-4, currently I do have APIs of it, I have attached it, and if we try to just put GPT-4o, I do think it will could give result. We can set the temperature as per our requirement. I will let it remain like temperature 0.7, and we will just check like how it works with GPT-4 Omni. uh, I'm just placing it up. Yeah, let's see. You see, in Omni it is like providing how, like over the period of time, how different forces of attraction. In like physics, it has taken up centripetal forces, capillary action. It is also kind of a attractive force, cohesion is there, and in natural philosophy, attraction is used as general term to describe the tendency of bodies to move towards each other. Basically, uh, human nature, I would say. Chemistry, it has concept of cohesion. It has introduced. Then it has like portrayed all the concept, the earth revolving around the sun, everything. So I do think Omni works better here. And other features, let's see what are the other features. These are all the terms which is getting stored. I will just, let's say gravity, like these are the data already being stored. And I as I have written force of attraction two times, so it will just store the latest data, whichever is the latest. So previous one it would have stored, but it is showing only the latest one. Now the second feature of it is like scoring. Yes, if we click on score, it will generate the answer relevancy and faithfulness. It takes time, so for the purpose of showing it, I will directly show, as I have already collected the data. This is for the force of attraction only. So as you can see, answer relevancy with GPT-4 Omni is kind of good. And as you see, this is the prompt which I have given, and the generated questions out of it, like how the answer relevancy works. It makes the um, questions from the response which is there, and the question which it made, I have tried it making it 3 times with LLM, and these questions, it then have a consine similarity with the original question, and which gives the score out. So it has like 0.853, 0.854, 0.853, and the average score is what is shown in the answer relevancy part. The second part is faithfulness. In faithfulness, it takes every statement and every sentences out of the response, and it tried to find the sentence in the context. Like the concept of force of attraction has been explored in various domains over time. That would be like first sentence in the response, and it has been found in the context which we have provided to the chat GPT. So basically, in the context, discusses the evolution of concept of attraction across different fields, as we have seen, like in the chemistry as well as in physics as well as in philosophy. We have discussed the concept of attraction, and interpretation and implication of force of attraction have evolved as a scientific understanding advanced. The context indicates that the understanding of attraction has changed with scientific progress, as we have seen it into the like gravity as well as like centripetal forces. So it is about that, and it it uses like ChatGPT whether to find out like if this the sentence is faithful to the given context or not. And here every 40 sentence which present in the response, each of them is faithful to the context. So these are the things stored. Now there is this feature, let's say GPT-4 or Omni we have used, uh, testing one. So I want to like store the snapshot out of it, just for my like further um, how to see research purpose. Yes. So as I have stored it, there is this dashboard. Here the force of attraction, as you can see like just now it has been stored GPT-4 or testing one, and testing one force of attraction response. As you can see, the response it stores, as well as the sources and answer relevancy part and faithfulness. So this is kind of help us to research. We can explore different query terms, and we can store it. Then we can check upon in the dashboard like whichever we have stored for like for our further investigation. So this was my project, and let's talk about the coding part in my next video. Thank you.